If your phone is making clicking sound when you touch any app on the phone, like phone icon or YouTube, anything, then what you do is go to settings, go to this option sounds and vibration, go to this option system sounds and vibration, and if you see there is an option here touch sound. If it is enabled like this one, then what happens is anything you touch, there will be a clicking sound. So make sure to go to this system sounds and vibration and disable this option touch sound, so that there won't be any clicking noise when you touch apps on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.